Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I am here today and I am here to show you some more deals. I have 4 dresses that I'm going to show you today that I purchased for $1. $1. Why can't I say that? $1 in total. So these 4 dresses were 25 cents each. Y'all, this dress right here, I can't reach it. This is a size 10 dress, and it might look a little snug, a little fitted. I can't reach it to zip it. I can zip it all the way up, however, but I just can't reach it to zip it. But this is a size 10. It does look a little fitted. I am in the process of losing a little weight. I've lost like 10 pounds, you guys. Last time I weighed myself at my friend's house, I think I was like 175. And the other day when I weighed myself, I was like 167. So actually, I think I was a little more than 175. So this is the first dress that we have. This is dress number 1. I paid 25 cents for this dress at a local thrift store. And that's the back. I can't reach, y'all see, I can't reach the zip it all the way up. But this is dress number 1. I'm going to step over to the side and try on the other dresses. Let me know which dress you like the best, and do you think this is a good deal for 25 cents? And don't forget to thumbs up the video, leave lots of comments down below. Press the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and make sure y'all go check out some more of the videos on the channel after you get through watching this video. So let me show you guys this. Okay, now we're going to try on dress number 2. And you guys, I buy my dresses in different sizes. I buy clothing in different sizes. I buy clothing that's too big for me, as long as they cover my body. I don't really care if they're too big, if they're too small, or whatever. So right now I'm gonna try on a sweater dress. And I also like the fact that at this thrift store, you know, we find items that are 25 cents, but I can find nice winter stuff in the summertime that's really nice. So this is a sweater dress. Big boat looking collar. Y'all, it's raining outside, just in case y'all hear that. You see this? You might want to wear like a t-shirt or something under here, because the sleeves are so big that it does show some skin down to the side. So you might wear a little shirt underneath. But I like this. It's cute. It's comfortable. It's not too tight. Yay! 25 cents. What do y'all think? Don't forget to let me know which one y'all like the best. Number them. Which one you like the best from 1 to 4. And which one is your favorite? Which one is your second favorite? Least favorite? Okay, that is dress number 2. This is dress number 3. It's big. It's a size 16. It's actually It was brand new, still had the tag on it. And when I find stuff brand new with the tag on it, I can't resist it, because even if I don't keep it for myself, somebody else that I know might be able to wear it. And even though it's a little big, it's still, it still looks good. You don't have to always wear your clothes too tight, but this is a size 16. Obviously, you just seen your hat on a size 10, so I'm definitely not a 16. But I don't mind getting clothes that are too big, especially if they still have a tag on them and they're brand new. So I like the little cut here. Let y'all see this up close. See the pattern up close. See the pattern. I think this is dress number 3. We got one more dress. And again, this was 25 cents. You can't beat that with a stick. Even if you get the 16 and it's too big for you, I know you have somebody that could wear this dress for 25 cents, right? Right? Okay. And last but not least, this dress is a Alex Marie size 12. It's kind of going to have the basic fit of the first dress. And again, I can't really reach. Oh yeah, I can't reach this. So this is a size 12. See if I can reach the zip, put it all the way up. A size 12. It's a little bit past the knee, or right at the knee. Fits really, 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 really good. I like this dress. If I hold my stomach in, it looks even better. Even though when I let my stomach out, it still looks okay. But if I hold my stomach in, it looks even better. And so that's it, you guys. That's 4 dresses for $1. 4 dresses. 4 dresses. Yes, 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 yeah, yes. Girlfriend is the thrift store queen. The thrift queen, y'all. 4 dresses for 25 cents each. 25 cents each. 4 dresses for $1, y'all. 4 for $1. Okay, you guys, let me know which one of these dresses you like the best. Let me see. The ones I would like the best, I would probably pick this or the sweater dress as my number 1. But I'm going to go with this one for my number 1. The sweater dress for number 2. The first one that I had on as my number 4, and the pink one as my number 3. But I could switch number 3 and 4 because it really don't matter. But I'll pick the pink one as number 3 because it was just more room, more flowy, just more comfortable. So that's going to be it, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave lots of comments down below. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell and hit always so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I do cooking on this channel. I do eating sometimes. I do just encouraging talks. I do makeup. I do live streams. I do a little bit of everything on this channel, you guys. I work on my van because I'm getting ready to do van life. I just do a lot of things. I take you guys grocery shopping with me sometimes. So please subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate you guys. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to let me know which dress you like the best. Bye now. Thanks for watching.